What's up? I saying 1, 2, 3. Here to do Toiko, excuse me, chapter 275 review. Alright. This chapter of for Toiko. Alright. This is a Coco chapter. This is a Coco chapter. This is where Coco really starts to shine. He really starts to shine here. But before that, the actual frog that they actually met, he pretty much explains what you're gonna encounter within the gourmet world, and he says that the real mist is natural weather within the actual gourmet world. And he actually says a quote that I just love. Within the gourmet world, the common sense you have up until now will be literally crushed in the gourmet world. He's pretty much saying that the gourmet world is just that crazy. And the thing is, from the few scenes that we've seen, he's right. Gourmet world just takes common sense and just crushes it into little bite-sized pieces. That's what the gourmet world does. But anyway, Toiko notices that he's able to hit the frog with the actual laser now, and that sends a connection back to Amatsumo. We still don't know what exactly this frog is. Plus, Toiko says that this isn't the same frog from the actual sea. He said that he smells different, but it's probably because of the leech that the frog had on the back of his neck, and the frog is dead. And there are these leech, these actual heel or hell leeches that are all around them now, and they are capital level 305, and it actually looks like Toiko is down. It actually looks like Toiko is down. And at first I was shocked. Wait, what? But again, I said this is a chapter where Coco shines. Coco actually used this actual type of poison called life poison. Kind of redundant, but yeah. He actually made poison dolls of actually Toiko and himself. He actually made kind of like human dolls out of poison. So these dolls, well, the doll version that was of himself was fighting these leeches, and and the poison, when the poison doll was died, got all of the leeches, so obviously the leeches are dead. And I'm just like, Coco, I knew you were a badass. I knew you were a badass, but you are able to create life from poison. Yo, really? That's pretty damn awesome. I gotta say, that's pretty damn awesome. I'm sorry. Yeah, well, I'm trying to be a actual fanboy here, but that is pretty damn awesome. So they get out of the real mist, and then they see they actually see the old man faces on the last chapter, and now it is Toiko's turn. So the next chapter is actually Toiko's chance to actually shine. I honestly have no idea where it's going to go from here. I honestly don't know. I legitly do not know where it's going to go from here. I honestly don't know. I have pretty much given up trying to figure out where it's going to go. I honestly have. I've given up. I don't know. Chapter rating for this is a great chapter. Yeah, that's all I have to really say. This was a Coco Shine chapter, and he shined. He shined. You know, Coco he's not my favorite, but he's definitely up there. But yeah, be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, share my channel with your friends. I guess time 1, 2, 3, signing out. Peace.